morning, class 11. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bettiah. Students, today I have decided to teach you a beautiful poem entitled The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. Students, the present poet is popularly known as the Voice of America. He is a renowned American poet who belongs to the 19th century pre-modern poetic era. He preferred to write in a free-flowing verse which truly reflected his spirit of liberty. He became famous with the publication of his long poem Leaves of Grass in 1855. His poetry is marked by democratic ideals, beautiful thoughts, and he is known for writing in a style which is entirely his own. Students, the present poem, The Voice of Rain, is a dialogue in between the poet and the rain. This dialogue is on the topic about the origin, about the source of the rain. The poet asks the rain who it is. The question starts with that one, and the poet is very much sincere, very much thoughtful about that one. So he asks and wants to know about the origin of the rain. The rain answers promptly the poet's question, which the poet translates. This dialogue has been translated in form of the present poem that is before us, which we have to study and which we have to go. The rain says that it is the poem of earth. Whenever the rain is asked, the rain replies beautifully without making any delay that it is the poem of earth. It rises out of the earth and the sea, but it cannot be touched. It goes out of the earth, it goes out of the land and from the bottomless sea, but it cannot be touched. Then it rises high in the sky, where it changes its form. Whenever it goes high in the sky, it changes its form beautifully. Then it falls down on the surface of the earth. It washes the drought, heat areas, atoms, dust and other things. Whenever it comes on the ground, whenever it is there on the ground, it does so many tasks. As I have stated earlier, it provides light to all the things on which it falls. It means it's a life-giving fact. Without rain, without water, we cannot imagine of life on the earth. The students, day and night, the rain gives life to the earth without any discrimination, purifies and beautifies it. The globe, the earth, the universe is given life by the rain, and it is purified and beautified at the same time. Students, it's like a song which comes out from the birthplace, which takes the shape of love. In the last few lines of the poem, the poet has been liberal enough, the poet has been kind enough to just attach it with the concept of the love. It travels around the earth and then comes back to its place of birth in love. It means the rain completes its life span in that way that I have stated earlier. Students, the important literary devices used in the present poem are metaphor, personification, etc. Students, this beautiful poem is going to teach us about the role of the rain on the earth and how does it give life to the earth. What lesson does the rain teach us is the lesson of love. It is the lesson of complete rotation and is also the lesson of complete involvement while enjoying the life. Students, this is all about the poem. Please write the summary and question answer in the copy that you have bought from the school. If you have not bought, buy it and write the summary and question answers of the present lesson in that copy and get it checked as soon as possible. Students, thank you. Have a nice day.